Hello friends and welcome to Infotainment. Well, here we'll see why sometimes automatically your volume goes down. You must be thinking that I have never decreased my volume, but somehow when you start listening to a music or your ringtone or something, your volume is already down. So what could be the reason for that? The major problem could be your malfunctioning of your volume button. For that you can simply test by pressing your volume button here. You can see this is properly working. Many times your volume button may not be working properly, or something very wrong could be there in your PCB, that is your chip. Something could be there, some malfunctioning could be there in your hardware or your buttons. Just check it and ensure that these buttons are working good. You can just check your volume button up and down, whether really your volume buttons are working perfectly or not, or whether your up button also making your volume to go down, or your down button is not working properly. You can check by pressing all these two volume buttons. If it is working properly, then it could be a small system glitch in your phone. That is, you have to simply restart your phone for that, to eliminate that thing. So just restart your phone like this, press hold of your power button, and these options will come and you can restart. And after restarting your phone, try to play some music, maybe on YouTube or some music which is already on your phone, and check whether your problem is solved. If your problem gets solved, then maybe some kind of software or system glitch could be there, which was eliminated, done away with by restarting the phone. So this is, I think, one of the most common remedies to address automatically this problem of volume coming down. The next tip is, if it happens because of some recently loaded apps or recently downloaded apps, just to ensure that, you can turn on your phone in safe mode. Well, by safe mode I mean only those apps that are native to the phone start with those apps. No third party apps will be there. So to go into safe mode, I have already made a video. You can refer that, which is in the description. So in safe mode, try to play some music in your native music player app and check whether your volume button is still problematic, or your volume down is there, or your volume has come to its original level or position. If your volume has come into original level, then probably one app which is interfering or making your volume down automatically. You can be sure of that. So after you figure it out, if in safe mode your volume is working perfectly, then try to find out the app that you have recently downloaded. Maybe 5 to 10 apps you can troubleshoot. You can remove from your phone one by one and check whether your volume is working perfectly or not, with the apps having been removed. Sometimes it could also happen like your phone is not in the updated version. Sometimes some bugs or some software glitches could be there, which could not be eliminated by simply restarting the phone. It could be that your phone is missing some software updates or operating system updates. So go to your phone operating system or go to your Android version. For example, if I go to like system settings, about device, here you can see something called new version available. You can click here and checking for updates. Now update is available. You can see that even my phone is not updated to the latest version. I can still update my phone. So you can too check in this way. Go to your about device and see whether your phone is running on the latest version or in the older version. Try to update your phone, which will simply eliminate all this kind of little bugs that could be coming up in your phone, and very much it could be perhaps taken care by the updated version of your Android phone. And sometimes what happens is when you're using some headphones or some earphones, very rarely it happens that it could trigger your device to reduce your volume without your permission. Sometimes it asks like hearing music in high volume could be detrimental or damaging to your ears, but sometimes without this message also it could lower your volume down. That could be the problem of some kind of headphones or earphones. So try changing your headphones or earphones. If that solves the purpose, then yes, you have found the solution. for your problem. These are few tips by which you can identify the root cause why your volume is coming down, and if still nothing works, then perhaps you should seek professional help and go to your phone repair center and find out the exact problem and repair your phone there. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical troubleshooting videos on Androids, computers, laptops, apps, etc. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.